Here it is by special request, the Amazon Basics Quick Access Firearm Safety Device. I've had a lot of people ask me to take a look at this and offer an opinion, so I will. This is a very simple device without a lot of unnecessary functionality built into it. There's no Bluetooth app, no remote access. The housing for the latching mechanism is made of steel, not plastic. That's a plus. The mounting holes in the bottom of this do not open beneath the latching mechanism, which is a common mistake I see. The shielding at the sides of the box is substantial enough that it would be very hard to pry the lid open and to get a wire in here to push the reset button, which is tiny. So I'm considering the reset function basically secure. There's no point in prying off the plastic keypad fitting. There is a hole beneath this, but it's located far from this hole for the latching mechanism, so you could never get a wire down there. Finally, this device is fitted with one of these wafer locks that takes a laser cut inner groove key, and the lock has a sidebar. So you could not attack this using standard lockpicking strategies. Nevertheless, in spite of these positive characteristics, I don't like this, and I'll show you why. Here is what the latching mechanism looks like inside. It's a simple spring release latching mechanism. That's locked and that's open. When the independent testing labs certified through California's Department of Justice are performing the tests required of prospective firearm safety devices, only one of the tests they perform is designed specifically for handgun safes, or what the statute calls lockboxes. These things are dropped onto a concrete slab from a height of 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. This device here is not in compliance with the standards. However, it is California DOJ approved. How does that happen? When the Chinese manufacturers are finalizing their agreements with importers, they don't bother telling customers that they may swap out minor internal components like basic hardware depending on availability. And that might be a spring, a motor, sometimes a lock. The importer who does not understand this, and this goes for lawmakers as well, they just set the stage for this kind of thing to happen, where you've got a product that was at one time in compliance with standards, and now because some small matter in here was changed, possibly it was the spring in here, this thing is no longer in compliance with standards.